Assalamualaikum friends, download this app in offer and here is my Facebook page. And to offer password app is 60% off and the premium unlimited mega bundle in 50% off right now in $10. Okay, subscribe on Telegram channel Sheri official and here is main file artificial intelligence Photoshop effect. Simply just drag and drop and press Ctrl S for saving. I know you can do easily. Open this one and main thing is here. Here is text. You need this font from web and here is adjustment. Okay, and here is effect. Last is background. So our work in this layer. Place your photo here. Double click. Sample delete it and now we need a PNG photo. For example, I open this one and resolution is down. Now enter Ctrl S. Amazing, my photo is here in effect of artificial intelligence. So you can import your product logo or poster just in PNG file. For example, change it and open any other PNG file. Here is a PNG on this one. Drag here, low resolution. Now okay, drag here, Ctrl S. Amazing. So you can adjust your own image. Just simple drag your image, Ctrl S, saving. Here is adjustment. Okay, click here, color fill. So you can change color. Here is bright contrast effect. Okay, and last is the background. I hope this effect is useful for you. Download this app for password. All password in this app of my website data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.